Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and we are here today with another episode of What in the Box and a new car. So what we got here is the new ARRMA Limitless Roller Speed Bash, and it's funny because it's claimed that it's supposed to do 110 miles an hour. Let's talk about this claim in a second. And it's kind of funny for me that the car that comes with absolutely nothing inside can go 110 miles an hour. We're gonna put inside whatever we want, and we will hope to get there, but let's see what they change meanwhile. It's kind of funny. First glance of the vehicle, of course, it's not painted. You're gonna have to do all your painting. You have to actually cut over here all the rear vents, so everything gonna have to be done manually. They changed a couple different things, but I have to open the vehicle in order to show you that. Now, one thing I noticed, that they haven't put those rubber safety holder for the pins. They're not connected in. The reason is because you need to paint the body, and if it's going to be inside, this thing going to get painted and going to get messed up and probably dry. So this is why they're leaving it outside. Okay, let's start removing some parts out of it and see what actually there is inside. Let me put the camera right here. It's kind of perfect, I think. Okay, let's remove the body pins. So the body already trimmed to size and everything, so it's actually pretty nice. They cut all the holes that need to be, all the holes for vent and everything, and for the body pins, those already been cut out. Now, as soon as you're looking inside, first thing that you're gonna see that a lot of stuff been moved around. But if you know me, you know that I like to be specific about how stuff supposed to be. And again, one thing that I see right now, as soon as I open it, I know that they changed the spool here. This entire system here is brand new. You're getting a bigger spool. It's a 38 tooth instead of the 34 it used to be before. You have a bigger spots over here for your ESC system. So a lot of people was using the big Castle XLX2 or whatever. So now you have much more space for it. Several locations remain the same. Battery remain kind of the same right now. But look at this again. This loose area. Come on, ARRMA. You charging so much money for those cars, and I'm a shop, but I'm a customer as well. Why you don't listen? Need to be a small O-ring here, need to be a small O-ring in the other side. It's supposed to prevent this from moving. This movement causing some problem while you're running the car. It's actually each time that it's moving somewhere else, and then if it's moving all the way and the body warp a little bit, this thing usually fly off the vehicle. The same thing with the front. And I keep showing it in each one of their vehicles, but they're too snobs to actually talk to us and correct their mistakes. I tried to contact some people in Horizon. Seems to be nobody really care. So let's keep that. So there's a new spool over here. There's a new grip for this spool made out of aluminum, not plastic. Now, one thing I can tell you, so on the previous version you could add easily the handbrake to it, like from the Felony. You cannot do that on this one, so if you plan to do that, forget about it. Now, on the other side of it, right here, you can see the big motor mount, and then you, of course, it's the sliding motor mount, so they made it a little bit higher, and you have a lot of space here for a big motor. You can put here kind of the biggest motor that you can find, I guess. I don't know what to tell you, like size wise. You can put those Coca-Cola can, as like most people that don't know what they're talking about it will call it, but definitely the big Castle 800 kV motor can run here. Poseidon motor, TP motor, anything that is very big could fit here very easily. Overall, it's look like very close to the previous model. The back is the same, and when you look at the box, they did like really cool design, but it's too bad that it's not actually come painted like this. So this is something to actually think about. when you look around, there's a lot of red and black parts popping. It's kind of nice that they start using red and black and everything, give it a little bit more signature. So there is a couple other small pieces, but again, I want to jump into it and say a lot of people that don't know the speedrun vehicle, when they came with the first one, I have a customer that called and was cursing me over the phone, saying that I'm trying to rip him off because the cars that he see came with servo. There's no steering servo, it's a kit. It's a roller kit. Roller kit means that there's no electronic whatsoever. There's no steering servo, it's empty. There's no ESC. The box for the receiver is closed and it's screwed in, but it's completely empty. There is nothing there. Sway bar over here, you can see the sway bar actually really nice. I think it's look like a little bit thicker, but I'm not sure. The same shocks from the previous vehicle, and if you're talking about the previous vehicle, we have run right here. Now I know we're gonna make this thing run. This is going to one of my customer. He already ordered it, so it is actually gonna come pick it up today, and then we're gonna show you how this thing run and what we're gonna put inside. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you notice, I don't do a lot of videos lately. Like I usually try to do the videos for you guys, but the problem is that the companies that actually we're doing the videos of, like for all of those vehicles, they're benefiting too much from my video, and we're getting absolutely nothing from them. We don't want any money or anything. They don't give us any like the respect they deserve for the amount of money and time that we spend on their product. So we decided to do as less as possible video about product of companies and more video teaching you guys how to fix certain things, how to airbrush, and how to do modification, upgrades, 3D print stuff. There's no point for us to keep advertise something when they have people already doing that. So whenever it's come to the shop and we think it's a little bit different, we're gonna do like a quick video. But again, it's like we're doing it for you guys, our customers. Anyway, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on my next video. Bye.